I today tell about sanitize spray in your house, hospitals, offices, stores, markets, petrol pumps. Please sanitize system is good for this season in coronavirus. 90% alcohol rub are highly flammable but kill many kind of virus including envelope virus such as the flu virus, the common cold virus and HIV through not ably effective against the rabies virus. Alcohol rub sanitizer kill most bacteria and fungus and stop some virus. After some virus, but you try all doors are sanitized. Number one, store door handle sanitized with spirit, counter sanitized with spirit, office door handle sanitized with spirit, room door handle sanitized with spirit, bathroom door handle sanitized with spirit, micro oven room door handle sanitized with spirit, all steel guardrail sanitized with spirit. Protocol: living with someone of risk fighting corona. Number, sleep in separate bed, don't share towel, crockery, glass, cup, etc. Number 3, wash cloth, bed linen and towels frequently. 4, air out bedroom frequently. 5, air out bedroom frequently. Use different bathroom disinfection with bleach. Daily clean and disinfect high transit and contact area and surface. Keep distance. Sleep different room. When you go out, wear a long sleeve jacket. Number 10, try not to pay in cash. If you use cash, different your hands. Wash your hand after touching any object to surface or use hand sanitizer. Maintain a safe distance from people. When you come home, try not to touch anything. When you come, clean your phone and glass with soap and water alcohol. Number 50, remove your gloves carefully, throw them away and wash your hand. Take off your shoes, clean the surface of what you have brought outside with bleach before storing. Remember that is not possible to do a total disinfection. The objective is to reduce the risk. The function of wearing mask, various mask functions. N95 strongest protection, virus 95, bacterial 100, dust 100, pollution 100. Surgical mask, virus 95, bacterial 80, dust 80. Activated carbon mask, virus 10, bacterial 50, dust 10. Cloth mask, keep warm, virus 0, bacterial 0, dust 50. Sponge mask, fashion, this is used for only for fashion, virus 0, bacterial 5, dust 0. FFPI, isolate suspended, virus 95, bacterial 80, dust 80. That are function of some mask use, but you know about function of mask. Preparing of heavy rain event. How to prepare your building for heavy rainfall? Check your roof. Examining your roof is a good place to start. Clean your eave through. Next up is cleaning your eaves through or gutters. Clean debris from stairs, street grates. Store or cover valuable item. Check your sump pump. Close your window and doors. Prepare an emergency kit. How can you protect yourself during rain season? Number 1, wash your hand. Don't touch your face. Protect yourself from dirty water. Avoid eating street food. Keep mosquito out. Drink herbal etc. Make oil your best friend. Driving safety in the rain. Tip of driving in the rain: wait until the weather improve if possible. Double check your car equipment. slow down, turn on your headlight, use your windshield wiper, maintain safe distance between car, avoid heavy braking, watch out for standing water. In advance of any storm, be sure your property is secure. Remove and dead trees or hanging branches near structure. Loose roofing material and object in yard, patho roof or balcony that could blow away. If a wind warning issue, consider the following. Tune in to local weather forecast and issued by the National Weather Service on the web, weather radio or local TV and radio station. Shutter windows securely and break outside door. Bring in unsecured object from patho and balcony, and secure outdoor objects such as a lawn, furniture or garbage can that could blow away and cause damage or injury. Preparation, naturally earthquake. If you are indoor when an earthquake hit, number 1, drop down and take cover under a desk or table. Be prepared to hold on until the shaking stop. Stay inside until the shaking stop and it is safe to exit. Stay away from bookcase and other furniture that can fall on you. Number 4, stay away from window and light fixtures. During earthquake, drop cover and hold on. Stay in door until the shaking stop. Stay away from window. If you are in bed, hold on and stay there, protecting your head with a pillow. If you are outdoor, find a clear spot away from building, trees and power line. From this came our belief that doorway is the safest place to be during an earthquake. True, if you are living in an old unreinforced edible house, in modern house, doorway we are no stranger than any other part of the house. You are safer under a table. How can you be prepared for an earthquake? Check yourself and other for injuries. Check water, gas and electric line for damage. Turn on the radio. Stay out of damaged building. Be careful around broken glass and doors. Be careful chimney, they may fall on you. Stay away from damaged area. How can you save on stairs? I tell about stairs. Many stairs falls in our world. Pay careful attention to your step. Avoid taking the stair in your stocking feet, low shoes on floppy slippers. Always use the hand rail. Don't rush. Avoid distraction. Pay attention in the sign, close the stairs and the culture and overall surface of the stair. Make use of good lighting. How dangerous are stairs? 100,000 die from stairs falls. More than 100 people die every year after falling down stairs. New fingers reveal. Stairs are the place where most death and serious injuries happen in the home. Elderly people are most at risk at hunting themselves stairs, and more than 100 are treated injuries every year. Infection control and prevention. Standard precaution, hand hygiene, personal protection equipment, PP, needle stick and sharp injury prevention, cleaning and disinfection, waste disposal, safe injection practice. I hope I hope you like my this lecture, and inshallah I meet again after 1 week. Safety rule in using compressed air. Only authorized person should use compressed air. Number 2, the body or clothes should not be cleaned with compressed air. Number 3, compressed air hose pipe should not be placed across passageway. Number 4, leakage of compressed air should not be tested with hand. Number 5, while working with tools run by compressed air, safety shoes are to be used. Number 6, the tools should not be kept on position when not in use. Handling of compressed gas cylinder. They are not to be dropped. They should be stored in dry and well ventilated place. Chins and slings should not be used for lifting cylinders. Number 4, the cap of the cylinder should not be removed when they are not the use. Number 5, cylinders should not be stored near hot source. Acetylene cylinder should not be stored horizontally. Empty cylinder and fully cylinder should be stored separately. Number 8, leakage cylinder removed to open space and release the gas without getting storage of gas cylinder. Cylinder should storage in a safe, dry and well ventilated store. Number 2, oxygen cylinder should be stored and acetylene cylinder shall be stored vertically. Number 3, the standing of cylinder should be secured properly avoid falling. Number 4, flammable gas should be stored at least 15 feet away from another building. Oxygen cylinder should never be stored necessarily